Hi friends, good afternoon on beautiful Sunday. Hope you people are enjoying my calls in my channel and you are enjoying my webinars in YouTube. Even if you missed, you can go through my playlist and you can enjoy and you can watch it. Today I am going to share the secret behind option trading, intraday trading and swing trading, right? So this I am going to conduct this session based on all people requirements. So I just want to have a more clarity what exactly you want. So do you have any questions before I proceed? You can ask now.
Small information I want to know. Like, you say about the options, derivatives, right? So while we are trading with derivatives, do's and don'ts. Please explain the do's and don'ts, like what we can do and what we should not do. It's like expiring the. It's like holding the stocks till the expiry is also not good. Like that. Please say that do's and don'ts.
Yeah, that is the reason I requested everyone to watch my videos. So I have clearly mentioned when to take the trade, when to not to take the option, and when the premium will be eating. So everything I mentioned in my last webinar. Anyhow, I will be adding those points now, not an issue. But if you follow one principle, that is the reason. So you will not be get any misconnection between your ideas and my ideas. There will be a synchronization will happen.
Okay, definitely. Sorry to say that.
No.
I recently joined in your group because I don't know earlier.
No problem, dear. No issue. Yeah, many people have been added. That is the reason. So I'm started taking the webinar. Earlier I have taken almost around 6 months back. Any other expectations? Yeah, I noted Teja. So I will be considering when to take, when to not to take, and also add what is option, right? So which strike price that I will add. What is? प्रमोद जी म्यूट कर दो. विकेश जी. Yeah. Any other questions? Am I audible?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Okay. I think nobody have any expectations. Then my job is so easy. I can say whatever I want to say.
एक्सपेक्टेशन तो बहुत ही ज्यादा है पर आप सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाओगे.
चलो बोलो ना आपको क्या चाहिए. How many courses you want? How many trips you want? You tell me. Everything is there with me.
आपको भी पता है एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या रहती है.
Yes, Bharatji, whatever you want, I can able to give it, not an issue, because because I have joined in many other sessions, many other paid webinars, so those are all with me. I don't have any issue to share those.
I'm just kidding.
Hello.
Yeah, no problem. Hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. Ram here.
Hi, Ram.
Yeah, hi, sir. Just a request, sir, that you are posting a options call on your group, right? So whenever a new joinee or anyone joining newly on the group, he might don't know how to trade, like what we are doing. You are giving the two level, right? To buy first lot at the level that you give, and second if option goes down, okay, or at the lower level. So the whoever is joining new, he might don't know okay whether he want to trade like this or he need to trade like this. So he might exit in a loss, and he might have not seen your previous webinar. So if you can pin a notepad saying that okay, this way the option needs to be traded, whatever is posted in this group. So that would be grateful.
Yeah, noted. Yeah, but the thing is that even we are also communicating the people who are thinking this. So we are sharing the whatever the videos I have conducted earlier. So in that one, as you told, I conducted many times a webinar, so that they've gone through now, so they can understand easily. So even I told when to take the current market price, when to take the between option prices, everything I covered. Not an issue. I will cover once again. So it's a good idea. When people have been joined, so we need to give more information. Yes, we will be noted. We will be adding.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other?
And bro,
So,
last one.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it can be asked or not. It may be appropriate. Like recently, I have given this RBL and HDFC.
Mm-hmm.
Like, is there where potential? Like means because like expiry is coming near. So, but now they were in the loss. So, what we can expect in coming week?
Yeah, still many days is there to work. So we will be updating in the group.
Okay.
So that is the reason. Now, so frankly speaking, Swati, can someone mute? Okay. Yeah. See, many people have been taking the calls. Okay, I understand. But the thing is that, so that is the reason I have created a Discord channel. I have created some other groups like Angel Broking. So when you join in that Angel Broking, so you don't need to pay a lot. It's just like hardly some few, even free. You can open account. So in that one, so when people have joined in that one, so we will be adding in our main group. So in that one, you can have access to ask about admins, about the options, whatever they have taken the entry and when to exit. Even if they are having any personal trades, so they can able to ask the questions. Even all admins will be there and all the trainees are there. So in that one, they will able to judge you and guide you. So this is what. But frankly speaking, I am having more than around almost more than 100 and 150 messages I get in a day. So where I cannot able to message. Frankly, I won't message to anybody in personal message. So maybe in the evening, once I get relief from office, maybe relief from this market, then only I used to give the reply to them. So that is the reason. So if you are really interested, want to make career out of market, so you can either join as a training, or you can also open the Angel Broking account, and we will be adding in the personal group, so that you can ask the question whatever it may be. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can ask, not an issue. So you don't need to hesitate, because I am also a trainee. I am also like you, just almost around 4 to 5 years back. Okay. So we'll go into the subject. Almost 27 members have been joined. No issue. So good time to start right now. So I will keep the system in mute, so that we will not get disturbance. Okay friends, so good afternoon. Myself Srikanth. I'm a mechanical engineer basically. So I keep machines to work, and I am also passionate by trading into elite waves. So I have given more than 360 members training till date from the last 2-3 years. So today we are going to have a session on trading strategies like options and intraday trading and swing trading. So I will have a look on it, and I will show how to take the entries and how to understand. So that basically, so you can go in deeper, and if you are having any questions in the end, you can ask in a Q&A. Okay, fine. So first of all, we will discuss about the options. So many are having the query, right? So what are actually options? I will tell you. So basically, options is like a what you call mathematically puzzle type. Okay, consider this is a square. Okay, and this is a in the money call, and this is the out the money call. Consider I am talking about the Nifty, where whatever this price is there, no? Whatever the two circles are attaching, this is called the spot price of the Nifty. Got it? Always this in the money circle will be bigger. Consider this total rectangle is your trading days, maybe trading expiry days. Okay, so this is the price and this is the trading days. So as the time goes, so as the expiry comes, this rectangle shrinks and it will become either 0, maybe intrinsic value it will reach. This is the ITM, in the money. What is in the money? So I will also explain. Okay, this is the OTM, right? Suppose Nifty is at around 15,000 level. Okay, this 15,000 level, consider 14,800, whatever the call option is there, this is in the money, and 15,000 maybe 100, maybe 200, 15,200 consider. Okay, these are the out the money, means consider this is the current market price of the Nifty, and this is 200 points away. That is the reason this is out the money. This is 200 points inside, is the in the money. That is the call. That's why you call it as ITM and OTM. No need to confuse. Okay. Always in the money call will be a higher price. Radius will be bigger, and out the money will be at a lower price. Okay. It means it will be with a what you call it, a lesser radius. As this stock moves up, okay, this 15,200 it reaches, this will go up, in the money will go up, and as the stocks comes down, this big circle becomes small, and OTM, this OTM will become a bigger. But the fun part is whenever the trading cycle is getting completed, means it's going near to the expiry, irrespective of anything, this rectangle will become shrink and it will keep on reduce. It keep on reduce on daily basis. It keep on reduce. At end of the expiry, maybe it comes to this range, this much range. Consider, I will make another color. There will be only one circle, right? Consider 15,500 it is reached. So if you have taken the 15,400 of option, so this will be having the intrinsic value of around 100 rupees. So the option will be lying here only, and whatever the options which is outside, there will not be any circle outside. Out the money, all options will become a 0. That's the reason you cannot see any circle. This is what the funda, how a ITM, OTM will work. So these are what you call it as basically so interrelated. So based on the size only it has to match. Okay, based on the rectangle size only it has to be matched. Okay, this is what basic options. So option is nothing but you are making you are taking a premium for a respective future or respective stock. But I will tell you an example. Consider you want to buy a home of almost around 1 crore of worth, and you want to buy that home maybe after 1 month. By that reason, so you will be giving around 1 lakh rupees as a bond, as a paper, as you call it, as a coupon to respective house owner, so that I am buying this price at 1 crore, but I am giving 1 lakh rupees right now. But I will be paying of 1 crore by maybe next month, maybe 2 months in the coming next month, like that. So he is getting an agreement with the owner. Means here buyer is the person who is going to buy, and seller is the person who is having the stock, who is having the home, right? So consider after 10 days of his buying, maybe when he has taken that premium, so maybe after 10 days he got another buyer where he wants to buy the same house with a 1.5 crores, but he can able to sell that house for 1.5 crores, but he has invested actually only 1 lakh, right? Because he has given a commitment to owner that, so he should not sell to anybody, but with 1 lakh rupees he is able to buy that stock because he is having the authority. The same way, suppose you are having the Reliance as a like a premium, like as an option, though you are having a less premium, but still you are having the authority on it. But up to what time? Maybe up to expiry of the respective month. If the stock goes up, your option will move up. If the stock goes down, your premium will decay and your option becomes 0. Many of the people will have a doubt when to buy, when to sell, when to hedge. So that will also I will cover. Hope till now whatever I told, so you might have understand. Basically, option is like making a premium for the respect to options. So this options is not designed for the people who is doing a intraday maybe trading. No, this is useful for the people who is having hold of more than around 1,000 stocks, maybe is running 2-3 futures. Basically, for that people, these options are using like a premium. Consider you are having 1,000 Reliance shares. Okay, tomorrow if you are having a doubt that the stock will not move up, a stock will be consolidated. What will happen end of the day? So he cannot sit simply because he is invested a lot of money for the Reliance shares. So he will not sit quiet so that he will not get any money. For that reason, what he will do, consider Reliance it is around 2000 level and the stock is seeing that is maybe target maybe 2500 consider. But as per his strategy, he knows that the stock will maybe in the range between 2000 to 2100. What that guy will do, he will make the basically he will sell this call basically. A call sell karo to what will get? He knows the stock will not go up. So, but he is having the underlying asset of 1000 stocks of Reliance. So, with this premium, he will be getting the money. Even if this guy is got the money, so with this the 1000 stocks, he will be in profit. And if stock is not moving, so he will be getting the premium from the market. Whenever he got the breakout from here, then he will be exiting this call and he will be in the trade, so that he will be eating the money from 2100 level to 2500 level. So this is how he's basically is hedging. I mean, he's getting the commission, he's getting the donation from the options. So some other people, how they can use these options? Consider you might be taking a future. Okay, you have bought a future. Maybe some Adani port, okay, 800 level you have taken an option, okay, taken the future. Suppose you are taken the future buy. Don't know tomorrow whether Adani ports will come down or not. For that, what he will do, he may be buying the put option and he will also do the trades like future one buy and put option one buy, and may also rewrite the put option, so he can do anything basically. So he based on to make the hedge. Basically, hedging is that basically you are having the main underlying asset by using these options. Maybe writing the call, maybe writing the put. Maybe call means going upside, bullish. Put means going downside, that is a bearish. So you can buy that call option or you can sell the call option. You can buy the sell option or you can sell the put option or you can buy the put option, anything it may be. So by using these techniques, so you can see, so even I post many this one after this webinar, what is the spreads and what is the calendar, what is the strangle, straddle. There are different strategies are there. This is only for a useful people, means useful for people who is having the underlying asset. But we are having, like we are a normal traders having with the 5 lakhs or 5 lakhs, less than 5 lakhs of a trading capital. Frankly I don't suggest to do trade in the options, because I am having the friends more than around 40-45 people, though capital is more than around 15 lakhs. So that is the reason I used to give when to take the trade, when to take the options. So I will tell you one more magic of this option. Suppose if you are, I'm not talking about Elliott, I'm talking about the general way. Consider a person is doing the trading and his strategy is whenever the breakout comes and he wants to buy the option. Okay, suppose this is a 100 rupees range and his target is maybe around 300 rupees, maybe 200 rupees. Consider the stock has given a breakout. So he has to take the trade in each and every trade, every strategy, means every potential trade, so that it can able to give the money. Consider he is having the stocks of almost around 100 stocks, is the favorite stocks he is having in his market analyzer, and suppose he is making money with this strategy, almost in that 100, 20 calls he has generated with that. So in the 20 calls, what he has to do is this 20 calls he has to take the options. So this call option he has to take it, and whenever the stock goes up and he has to book the profit. But what happens actually, if you see out of 10, only 2 to 3 stocks only will go like a rocket. It will go up. But normally what will happen? It will consolidate it once it goes down. Once it is breakout and it consolidated. After some time, it will go in this way, and you might have been experienced. So this stock option will not move until unless this Thursday of expiry. Okay, expiry jo din rahega, it will not move. Maybe monthly expiry bhi. But what happened? The next day of next target, maybe next month ka option, it will go like a rocket. So it neither given the money to the people who is having the holding this options, because he has to understand basically different Greeks of it. Why the stocks is not moving? Maybe it depends on the delta, maybe Vega, maybe Theta, right? So different of Greek factors are there. You have to understand. So many of the people are asking, sir, can you teach me even Greeks also? It's Greeks is nothing but it's like a you are understanding a potential whether the stock will move. So suppose stock is moved 1 rupee, whether how much your delta means how much your 0.5. So consider a delta of 0.5. If 1 rupee is moved, and how much is your stock option will go up. That is only 0.5 rupees. Based on that, you can understand if my option is delta 0.5, I can even stock goes up, it will move only 0.5. Suppose a theta minus 3 rupees is suppose even if you the stock will not go. Consider everything is constant. If you lose 1 day means the one day have completed in the total 26 days of expiry. Each day there will be 3 rupees lesser will be there in your respective option. And Vega is nothing but based on the volatility, it will go up. Means so consider Vega is 5. So it works basically. Vega works on the volatility, means implied factor basically, implied volatility. So if implied volatility moves by 1 and your Vega factor will go up by 5 points. So this is how it will. It's like in a big ocean. So if a person who is having a good strategy, it doesn't need all this theta, gamma, delta. Okay, these are all not required. You just have to understand how a spot is moving, how your option will move. Okay, that I will explain. These are all required for the people who don't know about what the move will come. That is the reason. So they might be buying a call, buying the put, and so they will be covered the call and the calendar spot. Everything they will be doing, right? So consider a stock is means basically these options will work based on the spot only. It doesn't not created with some other guy. These are all work based on the spot only. I will be taking the example of one in stock. Consider any Aurobindo Pharma. Okay, so this stock is gone up and comes down. Okay, so you know when you are taking the trade entry here, this is your entry range for your option for your what you call stock spot price, and it is gone up and went to wave 3 and comes down to wave 4 and it went to wave 5. But if you see in different way for the option, consider at the same price I am taking. Okay, this option when the stock moves up by this wave 1, consider this also moved up. Okay, but okay, consider this much have moved up and the stock is retraced and this option also get retraced. Consider you have taken the entry at here, the same time, same day you have taken the entry, but until unless it doesn't move, the stock is not moved, it may be retraced some days, even sometime, even lesser, because here the factor is to only the price. There is only price factor is there, but also here a price together with a time. That is the reason. So if the stock is at that same price, maybe if you see this option, maybe after 4 or 5 days, maybe, so this option will go further down. Then only it will be able to give the money to the premium sellers, maybe option sellers, right? And then if the stock goes up and based on your delta, based on your Vega, based on theta, based on considering all these things, your option will move like this. And again, so though your stop option is here, and if this is in the sideways, okay, you don't know when to take when to exit. So people will be always going for it. Even the stock is at here, even it will come up to down, maybe up to here, lesser than your entry levels. though the spot price is higher, but your option will go down the level because it has to arrow. End of the day, whatever the small circle I told you, OTM circle, it has to be becoming 0 as the expiry ends in all OTMs, right? That is the reason. So you have to take the entry of options based on how the spot is moving. Okay. So if you go in depth, so if I make the circle of this spot, if I go into the lesser time frame, so in this one, how the stock is moving. So you have to understand. Suppose if I take in the entry, consider at the same time. I am drawing one more chart. So I have taken the entry at here when the spot at this place, and if you see this wave, it would have moved in lesser time frame, maybe like this. Got it? So that is the reason. So I can able to, like, suppose if I ask people to take the trade from here, so I will tell them to exit at here, and they should not be kept at this place, and again they have to exit, and as the stocks come down in the lesser time frame, and they have to enter this option, maybe based on your respective spot price. That I will explain how to take the respective spot price. So based on your stop loss, you have to take the stock entry, option entry, and you have to enter it here. Again you have to exit at this option at this place. Again, as the spot is getting correcting, your option also getting the correcting in the larger way, and you can take the entry option here, and you can keep booking, keep adding, keep coming in, keep going out. So this is how you have to adjust your options. That is the reason it's like not like that I am taking the option on 1st of July and I will be waiting for 25th of July so that whether it will give the money. Until unless you have taken it out the money and the index is okay, means VIX is okay and your delta is good, then this out the money calls only able to give the money. But if you are taking just out of the money, okay, just in the money, so this will not give money. End of the day, it will erode your money, means because of the time decay. Right? So this is how you have to take you have to understand. For that reason, you must have a concept called how this spot is moving in the different time frames, right? As I explained last time, how the stock will move. So you have to understand time is same. The person who is doing the trading is same. It's totally like a different, trading is not that much easy. You have to go in depth. The person who learned, who has understand more, then only can able to make the money. So as the stock moves up, you have to be in the trade, and as the stock consolidating, consider if you are in the call option, so you have to exit it here and let the stock goes down and it's consolidating. Whenever you got a confirmation in the spot price, then you enter it here and you take the trade. You take the option at that place. You got it? And one more thing I want to add. So many people were asking me, so how you will select this option? Consider a stock price is of around 1,000 rupees and your stop loss is of 980. The difference between your stop loss and your entry price is 20 rupees plus your entry is your option strike price. This is you have to select. This option will move like a rocket. Okay, and many times I told I will give. So in that one, so buy this option maybe at current market price, maybe in the between this level the zones, right? Between the level zone, why I am telling, consider suppose if I given any option, buy between 10 to 20 rupees, it has having some meaning, right? So this stock will go up and comes down and it is getting eroded. So based on your spot price, based on your lesser time frame, when it's reaching into the levels, maybe zone 2, maybe zone 4 levels, so you will be taking this in this trade based on that level, right? So this is how you have to understand. It doesn't, you will not be getting this trade maybe 10 rupees, you will not be getting the trade at 25 rupees. Maybe you will getting 25 with a higher premium. But when this move will come, maybe suppose this spot move 20 rupees, so you will be getting a option 10 rupees. But over the period of time, if still stock is at that place, this option will get eroded. You will be getting the same spot, same strike rate, maybe at 12 rupees, maybe at 15 rupees. Still it is valid. But when it is going lesser than this 10, don't take the trade. Okay, because why I am giving, so I have given these calls based on, by keeping all other options, so based on the levels, how it will be reflected in the higher time frame and lower time frame, based on that I will be taking. Okay, so this is how you have to take the trade, and you never ever take full amount of money on this first range only. You take the trade based on your, you may consider, suppose if you are having the 50,000 per option, 25,000 rupees you could invest for the option, maybe at higher price. As it consolidated, you can add one more 25,000 rupees say, or add maybe at a lesser range. So this is how you have to keep on adding. But I cannot put it in an open group, frankly telling, I cannot put it in open group. So this many entries I cannot give in my channel, in my group, as the stocks making correcting, and I tell that at the same price exit option, and again you enter, and again the stock price getting correcting, and again you exit it here, and again you buy from here, and again you exit. You know, even if I speak for one option, I would have been given, if I want to give, I may be giving more than 5 to 6 messages only for one option. But this actually, end of the day, it's like it needs what you call time management is required, mind management is required. You have to allocate. If I miss to give the one message, so many people will ask me. That is the reason. So if you join in the angel broking, so that if we can, even if I miss to give the message, even my trainees, maybe other admins, they can also educate. Hope you understand about the option. Got it? So many people will ask, sir, whether to buy option or sell the option. That I will tell you. So till now, whatever I spoken, how to select the strike price based on the spot, when to take the entry, and how the option will erode, and how the option will move based on the spot. This is how it looks like. So you should have a different combination, how the stock is moving in a different time frame, maybe lesser time frame, maybe higher time frame. You have to understand. Then you have to be in the option, and you have to come out from the option. So you should not be stay long for 1 month. So it will not give the money. Though you might be getting a 10,000 rupees of profit today, maybe after 3 days it will come to the 3,000 rupees. Though your spot price is higher, because your money is taken by sellers. Premium, they need premium, right? So they will be taking your money. So don't keep your profit of your options in the market. It will be get eroded. So you exit from there, and whenever the chance comes in the lesser time frame with a less good accuracy level, maybe good entry level is coming, then you enter for the respective option. Okay, and when to buy the option and when to sell, that I will let you know. Actually, so many people will tell, sir, if I sell, I will be getting the money, but if I buying, at the end of the month, it is getting eroded, sir. What should I do? Shall I'm having a capital of around 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs rupees. Shall I take the sell option like that? They might be asking. So even they are asking. So I will tell you the answer. Consider this a buy. Okay, you are buying this stock. It is going up. Okay. Consider this is your entry, and this is your stop loss, and this is your target. Simple. So even if you are losing in this option, you will be losing this much amount, and if you are getting the money, and there will be unlimited reward will be there in the buy. And in sell option, so consider spot is at this price, you are selling for 50 rupees. Consider this option price is at just 50 rupees. Okay. And you want to sell for just 50 rupees, and you will be in unlimited risk. in the end. So if the stock with a good move, good results, maybe good positive news there in the market, if the stock goes more than 250 points in a day, you will be losing 200 rupees, where only for just 50 rupees. This you can take a trade when you know about in depth, like like the stock is in the sideways and you are having the large capital and you are having the 1,000 shares, you are having the underlying assets. So when you are having this concept, then only you can do this. As I told you earlier, calendar spread or maybe covered call you can take like this. So for getting the premium instead of losing your money without any interest, so many big players will do it. But a small players like us, less than 5 lakhs wala, they should not able to do like this because for 50 rupees, 200 rupees, you cannot put the risk. Means every time I used to tell, right, your risk will be always lesser and reward will be more. So you have to work in that way. 1:10, 1:15 risk reward ratio you are getting means you supposed to be lose only 1 rupee for a profit of 15, but for the loss of 200 you cannot lose 50 rupees of your money. Yes, it will be giving like a it will give comfort, like even if the stock not going, the index means every option will come down and I will be getting the money, but those are all like a lesser only. But if the stocks really started moving, this all sellers will go away. Okay, frankly, option buying, I can say option buying is like a gambling. You should know when to enter, when to exit, and option selling is like a running like a casino. Every guy who is joined in the option selling, he will be getting the money. And those who write the option, they are like putting a insurance company. Everyone will die, every option will die, they will be getting the money, everyone will start they making whatever the premiums for that. But option buying should have a sound knowledge on your spot, how the spot is moving, when to take entry and when to take exit. You should not be in the same moment, same stock price always, same spot price always. It has to be keep changing based on your spot price. Consider 1000 say 1020 gaya, so 1020 you have taken, and as time frame, lesser time frame mein aapka wo target aa gaya, then you take the 1040 OTM call. At that time your stop loss will be 1020 and your entry will be at 1040. This is how you can keep on adding, because delta will keep move. So I told you, I will make a rough sketch on it. 1000 stock price है, 1020 का option ले लिया. As the stocks goes up, so this 1020 का call exit कर दो and 1040 का option ले लो, because this 1040 का delta जब 0.8 रहेगा and whereas this 1020 का delta रहेगा even 0.6, even if you are, though you are having the 0.8, consider, okay, this is also having the 0.75, this will give a bigger money. This will have a bigger money. Over the period from this has gone up, and this will keep on remain constant only. So it will not go up, but this will having the volatility will be there and lesser risk will be there. If comes down, this will have a theta will be more for this long in the money call options. Got it? So that is the reason you always keep this momentum for the respective options. Hope I made you clear regarding the options. So okay, so never ever sell the options, always buy, but buy with some proper strategy, whatever you are doing trading. So whether you want to trade with Elliott, maybe harmonics, maybe with a breakout, what it may be, but you stick to your strategy and you have to take the trade for every potential is there, every strategy वो जो बनता है ना आपका सिस्टम के हिसाब से, वो हर एक चीज में ले लो. जब भी आउट ऑफ 10 में 8 सक्सेस हो तो भी आप 80% में आपको पैसे देगा, बट 1-2 दिन लेता है, 1-2 दिन स्टॉक में लेता है, बट वो दो ही नहीं चलेगा. When you see that your strategy is working for some other stock, but you have missed that stock, but you have taken this option and your money will be blocked at here only. That is the reason. So as I think maybe second or third webinar I told so about money management and trade management. In that one, I clearly explained how to divide your money, how to allocate for the respective option, how to allocate your money for the intraday trading. So that and all I have explained. So you can go through my YouTube channel and you can refer to those. Okay. What else I told about the intraday trading, right? Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Intraday trading. Suppose this is your entry, the stock has gone up and this is a whole day. So I am making this total as a one day, maybe six and a half hours you will be having, and maybe 10 o'clock you have taken the entry here, and you are thinking this stock will go up your target, maybe at this level. Okay, this level you are thinking. But what these guys do, so why, I will tell you one small example. Why this all the brokers will give you a margin to make you to trade. If they really want to get money, so they will not give their money for make you to trade, and they want you to be get money. So if you are making the money, what they will get? So will they get only on brokerage? Only that's it. All the big players will they give the money simply? They don't have a common sense that why should I give the money to the small people? Everybody think like that. Consider you are selling a vegetables, so you are getting in a bulk way. Even with to compete other seller, you can give with even 1 rupee lesser also, so that if you will be getting, though you are getting the lesser margin, but the quantity will be a bulk. So the person thinks like that. Then only the market, when only the person can able to make the money in the market over the small people. So if you are taking the entry here and the stock keeps go up to here and again comes down, go up to here, comes down, go up to here, again go up, again they will make people in a jumble manner. So it will be lying at this place. So what will happen? Your broker will exit this trade by maybe 310, 320 based on your trade, based on your trader. So they will make you exit, and you will be thinking, so suppose if you are able to catch this trade maybe from here to here, the people are so fine, so they could able to make the money, and the person who's taken the trade at here and there seems to be again at the same price. Tomorrow, next day morning, what will happen? The stock will be sitting at this place. It is not given to the people who is doing the intraday. The people who is having the stock as a swing trader, maybe as having the maybe investor, for them only they got, because they are entering in the stock maybe from in this range, maybe from in this level, maybe from this level, maybe from this level. They were holding the stock maybe from more than 15 days, maybe more than for 1 month. So they were seeing the stock maybe from here. So irrespective of anything happens in the intraday, they know this stock will be lifted by big players, maybe from the morning pre-open market. They will be keeping this stock at this place and they will book the profit, and you will be missing this trade and you will be missing this time. So this is how happens. So even if the stock wants to go up from here to here, it maybe moves in a 1 day, maybe in a 2 days, maybe in a 3 days. It depends on all the strategies, just what I told you, right? So a wave 1 है, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. ये structure दिखने के लिए ऐसा रहेगा, but this ये जो है ना यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this time strategy, it depends totally on how this wave has moved. You have to go in depth basically. So how this wave has made formation here, and how higher time frame में कैसा हुआ, lower time frame में एक trade कैसा हुआ, whether एक बड़ा कैंडल आ जाएगा, एक छोटा कैंडल आ जाएगा, यहाँ से डायरेक्ट भागेगा. This really you can able to expect, able to estimate when you have a real understanding about the Elliott only. You got it? So because how the stock will move based on it resembles the data, it resembles the old data. Based on that only this move will happen. Whether it wants to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, or maybe ABC pattern, maybe some other patterns, what it will be based on harmonic crab जो है, so whatever the people will call it as. So I don't have any concern. So उसके हिसाब से जाएगा, people will come to know only with that. But actually this stock will resemble the respective time frame. Higher time frame के हिसाब से भागता है. जब higher time frame में ताकत ही नहीं है ऊपर जाने के लिए, suppose higher time frame में ये wave 2 में है, suppose if this stock is at this place, ये तो गिरना ही है गिरना. But this time frame, higher time frame ने बोल रहा नीचे जाऊंगा बोल के, but आपने इसमें खड़े रहेगा ना, so it keep on, it resembles here. Even in the next day morning it hit you a target, and again it will comes down over the next 2 hours or 3 hours, and it will be lying at here only. जैसा wave 2 इधर खत्म हो जाएगा, जब भी ये stock movement होना चाहिए, होएगा. So this is how you have to understand, right? That is the reason options, means what you call intraday, किसके लिए अच्छा रहता है? Only for a small traders, basically, like they having a lesser capital, they dependent on the margin, and they want to make the money just quick. You can call it as a scalp trading, basically. So 5 point में 6 point में बाहर आने का, like that it will be better. But if you are having a 1 lakh capital, you want to make minimum 10,000 or 20,000 rupees in a month. So that is the reason I posted one vote in my channel and group. So how much you will be expecting from your 1 lakh? Based on that, I can able to tell the webinar like that I mentioned, right? So that also I will explain how I am going to make minimum 10% from your capital. So in the swing trading. So this is depends. Basically intraday will fetch the money from the novice traders to the only the brokers. Maybe you will be getting giving the money for the brokerage, though you didn't get money in this trade, right? You given money for the brokerage charges, maybe government taxes, everything, and you lose your important time. You don't have other time for doing the analysis for some other thing. So this is how it goes. But when you do trade in the swing analysis, it's many benefits are there. Okay. That is the reason many of my calls will be on a swing basis. Okay. Swing में कैसे रहेगा? Simple. Same again 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5 pattern होने दो. A stock I know at entry यहाँ होना है, यही लेंगे, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. A stock कल सुबह जब तक मैं इसके नीचे नहीं जाएगा, मेरा स्टॉप लॉस वो पता है. I know this is my target. I know this is my stop loss. I know this is my entry. Maybe I know this is my stop loss. What it may be based on the how much accuracy I am. Okay. Even sometimes I have given with a 1 rupee, 2 rupee stop loss से यहाँ से भी दे दिया था. ये सुबह स्टॉक ऐसा भी भागने दो. ये टाइम फ्रेम इतना भी लंबा लेने दो. I don't worry, I don't have any concern. I will not be paying a single rupee for a broker because my delivery is free. Consider in Angel, you will not be giving any single rupee for a broker. So if people wants to make the money from those who are, I am telling, right? So you join in the Angel broking. So we will not be dependent on the people because we are looking for a partners who is really authenticated. So when the people are really interested, they will be joining, we will be having the details, like we can share whatever is really truth is there behind the screen. Everything, whatever we know, we can able to guide the people who is really having the interest in it. But many of the fake members, spam guys, what they will do, they will make some Telegram ID and they will start irritating people. That is the reason I never show interest to give the information much in the open group. But if you are really genuine, you join in that Angel broking, and whether you trade or not trade, I don't have any concern. But we are there to help you because you will be authenticated, right? All the information will be there. My all information will be with you, so that I can share anything, right? I can share any doubts you are having. That is only the reason to join in the personal group, so that you can get a good knowledge. Okay. So in swing trading you will be having this opportunity, so that ये stock यहाँ भी जाने दो, वहीं रहने दो, या ऊपर जाने दो, जैसा मेरे को stock आदेश इधर आएगा, then I will exit from in this place. So I will share the same concept in a Excel way, so that you will be getting a more understanding, right? How many of you seen this tracker? I shared in the channel, I think, even in the group, right? इसमें I have given all the stocks, like small stocks, like swing trading में. So maybe it depends on Nifty 500, maybe Nifty 50, maybe FNO scripts, जो भी है, not a problem. So based on your favorite scripts, so you will be adding in the scripts in your terminal, and I have given a cost. How many of you observed my accuracy of in a swing trading is more than 95%? How many of you observed? If you show a person with a more than 5% of my calls with a stop loss is hit, I will be giving my training is free. All my strategies which I am telling, all the Elliott analysis I am telling, all these things I am ready to give the for free, only for a swing trading. If you observe, all these have been hitting the target, and in the last month out of 41 it has given the 39 calls to hit the profit, all the swing trades. And even I am specially mentioning what is the stop loss, when to take the entry, what is your target. Okay, and consider in this sheet you might be entering all the details, whatever the data you have taken. Suppose consider ABC, there is a stock, okay, and I am entering it. I have given a call between, you have to enter between 105 rupees to 122. मैं ऐसा बोलेगा इसमें वो मेरे चैनल में, and I told your target will be between like 160, maybe 180, like that. I used to do, right, based on the time frame, and I kept the stop loss as maybe around 98. Consider, okay. Even I won't do this much, but I am giving for example. Suppose you are having a 1 lakh rupees. Here you can enter how much is your investment, and you always divide this amount at least 4 parts. Okay, so either 4 करे तो by 4 करे तो 25,000 आया, 25,000. So I have given an entry. कितना entry price बोला? Current market price. Suppose current market price is 122. इधर enter किया. With this 25,000, I can able to make this with this price at what you call 25,000 में I can able to get it at 120 205 quantity. So even I can suggest, instead of making a 25,000, what you can do, so you can use this as a lesser, like 12,500 for a first entry and remaining 12,500 for a last entry. So whatever the higher price and lower price, you can do like this. So then what you can do, so here 1 lakh rupees I have entered. I am entering the stock price, means first entry is 122, right? The first quantity I will be getting at 137 quantity instead of 205. I am making in detailed way. So this is for aggressive. This box is for aggressive traders. This box is for people, okay, even if it is a lesser range, even if it comes, I want to entry. So this will be work for them. Okay, 122 में enter किया, but कितना quantity 137 किया. This will be shown at 146. How this 146 came? So based on, I am thinking this stock will move minimum 20%. That is the reason ये मेरा current market price से 20% इधर add किया. You can see this one, 20% of the entry plus entry equals to 146. I know I will be exiting it here. So 122 say, consider I am making quantity कितना इधर 137 quantities, and I am buying right the same date, maybe whatever date you are entering, and entry price is my 122, and I am exiting maybe at some other date, and exit I am always going to exit at 146 only, right, 146.4, and this will be giving it 3,300. Suppose this stock has come down and I will be, second entry price is maybe around 105. I entered it here. I will be getting a 159 quantity. Same ABC stock, 159 quantity आया. Then buy किया था. Same maybe some after 10 days, maybe 5 days. So here entry price क्या है मेरा 105. Got it? So I will be getting, when the stock is going from directly, you will be getting only 3,000. But when it is started retracing, it will go up to 60. You will be giving a huge profit. So it will always go. Even if you, until unless stop loss is not hit, so you will be in this trade, and it's can able to fetch minimum almost like a, consider 9,000. Even if I am considering a 70% of it, even you will be getting around, consider only you got this one, 3,300. So like this entries, I will be getting minimum 10 trades in a month. 10 trades in a month. Even for each trade, if I am getting a 3,000 rupees, with this 10 trades, you will be getting minimum 30,000 for 1 month. You might be seeing whatever the calls I have given in my channel, in the group, means Elliott Swing Traders basically. So even all the stocks within just 1 week, it has reached to up to 20%. It has reached the targets. Even it is moved more than 20%, 15%, 30, 15%. It has been moved. So everything I am keep on updating in that one. Even suppose Bombay Dyeing, if we see some 78 to 102, it has gone. Exchanging, I will share some of the list. 1 minute. So you will be getting more idea who are the people who have taken the trade. So they started messaging me. So Bajaj Hind, it was 5% is up, and the Ramco Cement 997 1126 gaya. So these and all I have mentioned in my channel. So I am not telling from some other place. These are all I have mentioned in my channel. So if you go through this, you will come to know everything. So you can go. I will be sharing also a list, and I will be mentioning this tracker also in future. So you can see all this and all, right? Even Manappuram, कितना तक भागा 173 से 188 तक भागा, and MCX 1549 दिया था वो 1740 तक गया, and exchanging 78 से 96 तक गया. The best thing is like Bombay Dyeing 78 से maybe more than around 102 103 ऐसा गया था. So many options are there when you want to make the money. So because if you want to make the money with just 1 lakh rupees, if we are able to make even, I am telling here 20,000, maybe 30,000, but consider even 10%, if 10,000 rupees आया 1 lakh say, you will be really taking the safe trade. But you cannot make this much option, because if you want to make the money, you should be a gambler. गैम्बलर कैसे करने का आपको जब पता रहेगा स्टॉक एकदम बॉटम से ही उठाएगा जब भी आपको पैसा आएगा ऑप्शन में. बट इफ यू वांट टू बी इन बिटवीन इन द ओशन, एंड इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड, इफ यू वांट टू कैच द रनिंग ट्रेड, so you will be giving the money, getting only for like a cents only. But if you want to really make the money, you have to leave that option from the bottom. Then you have to take the respective out the money. Then only you can able to give the money, because always out the money will be lesser price when you compare with the spot. Like इंट्राडे में तो आपको पता रहेगा. सो आप स्टॉक वो इसमें ही खड़ा रहेगा, देन सुबह वो लेके जाके डायरेक्ट टारगेट के ऊपर रख देगा. बट ये स्विंग में क्या रहेगा, वेदर यू कैन टेक एनी एफएनओ स्क्रिप्ट. सो दिस एंड ऑल मूव्स लाइक दिस ओनली. Even Godrej Properties, Reliance, Aurobindo Pharma, okay, exchanging, Capacity, okay, ARV Smart, Bombay Dyeing, many, even Kirloskar Brothers, many things the stocks has gone like this. I am not making that 20% आएगा, even 30% आएगा. Even if you consider 10%, in my trades, out of all the trades, 95% of accuracy मिल गया. In this month, maybe just 2 trades are lying at the same price, and maybe 2 are going lesser than the stop price, but it's not in the stop loss. But remaining all other more than around 14 or 15 trades is gone more than 20% move happened a bit. Got it? So what else to be discussed? I think I have covered what is it? Intraday, options, swing trading, everything I explained, right? So this is how you have to consider. 60 minutes में बोला ना, नहीं ये 15 में जाके तो और ये स्टॉक और it will be going some way, ऐसा रहेगा. डायरेक्ट मुंह में ऐसा दिखेगा. You have to understand in depth basically. That is the reason you should have this advanced tool. Many people were asking, sir, without this tool can I able to trade? But yeah, you can able to trade, but you have to understand when this in small time frame में कहाँ exit होने का, higher time frame में कहाँ exit होने का, you don't know. That is the reason you need. So out of 144 FNO scripts, you don't know which stock came to the wave 2 level, which stock came to the wave 4 level. Then only you can enter the respective trade and you can catch that bus at the bus stand only. You cannot catch the bus in the main highway, right? Even the driver also will not stop. So it will be safer when if the resting at the respective zone levels. When you are buying, the stop loss तो कम रहेगा, risk भी कम रहेगा, जब reward भी ज़्यादा रहेगा. Okay, so you will be doing the safe trading. But if you are trading in between without having any logic, without having any proper risk reward and money management, this will definitely erode your money. So it's not about the accuracy, it's not about whether I can able to do it in the manually or not. चलो अब मैं मैनुअल करने के लिए क्या देखना पड़ेगा, डे टाइम फ्रेम देखा, उसमें अभी ये जो वेव है और कौन सा वेव में है, वेव 2 में या वेव 4 में है, और बाद में 4 घंटे वाले टाइम फ्रेम में आया. इवन you can able to draw फिबोनाची रेशियो 61% आया, 50% आया, 38% आया, पकड़ पाया, और बाद में 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम में आया, और वेव में और कौन सा वेव में था, कंसिडर ये पूरा ए वेव में था और ये दोनों वेव में था. दिस मूव यहाँ से यहाँ तक आया और उसका लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में यहाँ से यहाँ तक आया. Catch what you will do when you know analysis of all these things, when consider is a यहाँ है बोल के पता रहे कि उनके क्या करेगा. By the time when you are doing analysis manually, this stock will go away from here. It will be converting from this wave to another wave. It will convert from other wave. ये सब पूरा जाते रहेगा. मैनुअल में आया नहीं आया वो भगवान को पता है, बट वो उससे मनी नहीं आएगा. वो किसके लिए यूजफुल है, 1 घंटा वेबिनार रखने का, 5000 प्राइस रखने का, लोगों के पास पैसा खींचने का. दिस विल ओनली वर्क फॉर मैनुअल इलेट एनालिसिस के लिए. दिस विल नॉट हेल्पफुल टू मेक द मनी इन द रियल मनी फॉर यूर मेकिंग यूर फॉर्च्यून. ए मैनुअल एनालिसिस ओनली, दैट्स व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू ना. 1 घंटा अच्छा वेबिनार लेने का, पूरा धमाका करने का, लोगों को मजा देने का, क्योंकि उनको डर ही नहीं है ना. ऑफ द मार्केट में बोले तो चलो ये जिगजैग पैटर्न है भाई, दिस असेंडिंग पैटर्न, डिसेंडिंग पैटर्न, ये सब बोलने के लिए मजा रहता है. इवन दे पीपल विल मेक द मनी फ्रॉम द ट्रेनिंग, नॉट फ्रॉम द ट्रेडिंग. But if you see my channel in this one, everything is having more than 90% accuracy. Even I posted last time in options का पूरा list, कब entry किया था, कब exit किया था, exit पूरा I have made one Excel sheet, I posted in my channel. You can go through that. Yeah, I'm not talking in the air. Everything has a reason. That is the reason it's not having like it's not that whether you can able to do the analysis by manually or not. You can whether you are able to catch the respective stock in a different time frame में आप पता means you can able to catch or not, that you have to understand. और ये stock कब exit करना, कब entry लेना, same stock में suppose 20 रुपए मूवमेंट में आपको minimum 50 रुपए कैसे कमाना, that what makes the matter. Okay. What else? Hope I told whatever I want to say. So let me start.